Narsimha Jayanti, birthday power time of Vishnu's ultimate protector and victory bestower form. Narsimha Jayanti is the birthday power time of Narsimha, the fierce lionman Vishnu avatar, who destroys evil, protects devotees, and upholds righteousness. Narsimha, the great protector, can destroy evil, enemies, negativity, misfortune, and adverse planetary impacts, fulfill wishes, and bless with protection, victory, and prosperity. Narsimha Jayanti significance. Vishnu descended on earth as Narsimha on Swati Nakshatra of the 14th waxing moon of Vishakha month, April-May, to vanquish the tyrannical demon Hiranyakashipu, protect his devotee Prahlad, and restore cosmic balance. He emerged from a pillar to uphold righteousness, symbolizing the triumph of faith over tyranny, good over evil, and protection over fear. Invoking this fierce Vishnu form during this birthday, when his protective, boon-bestowing energies are immense, can help you connect with his divine grace and gain multifold protection. Accordingly, Astroved performs 11 select Vedic rituals for destroying fear, enemies, malefic planetary effects and burdens, safeguarding against harm, clearing confusion and emotional blockages, resilience, desire fulfillment, victory and prosperity, harmony, peace and well-being. Invoking victory bestowing, ultimate protector Narsimha. Astroved invokes Narsimha through a super grand Prahlad Vardha Narsimha Fire Lab and Narsimha Karvalamba chanting for his divine intervention for peace, protection, and spiritual upliftment. Shri Prahlad Vardha Narsimha Thapini Mahayagam. This Homa invokes Narsimha as Prahlad Vardha, his devotee Prahlad's guardian and boon bestower. Structured around Narsimha Thapini Upanishad, this super grand fire lab taps into Narsimha's blazing, transformative energy, Thapini, to annihilate karmic impurities, shield against dark forces, purify and uplift the soul, help triumph over trials and bestow strength, clarity, and abundance. Blessings. Destroys negativities, karmic baggage and hurdles blocking progress and success. Shields against harm and accidents. Promotes harmony. Invokes goddess Lakshmi to attract material abundance and lasting peace. Purifies the mind and elevates the soul. Shri Narsimha Karvalamba Stotram. Adi Shankara's Shri Narsimha Karvalamba Stotram, the powerful 17-verse hymn invokes Narsimha, who destroys fears, protects truth, and uplifts souls from suffering. The verses cry for Karvalambam, the support of Narsimha's hands, seeking his fierce yet nurturing presence to rescue devotees from fear and attachment, and offer them refuge. Blessings. Shields from enemies, dark forces and disturbances. Calms the mind and enhances courage. Helps manifest goals. Narsimha's union with Lakshmi brings emotional balance and household harmony. Uplifts the soul and relieves the birth-death cycle. Combined blessings of yagam and chanting. Invoking Narsimha through Shri Narsimha Karvalamba Stotram and Shri Prahlad Vardha Narsimha Thapini Mahayagam during Narsimha Jayanti can destroy karma, sins and malevolent forces. Safeguard against planetary afflictions, black magic and evil eye. Remove obstacles and suffering. Promote courage and harmony. Grant goddess Lakshmi's prosperity blessings. Sacred texts on Narsimha. Sacred texts hail Narsimha as 1. Ugrasingha, the intense lion-faced evil destroyer. 2. Mahabala, the ultimate warrior to protect righteousness. 3. Sarvasiddhi Pradayaka, benevolent bestower of prosperity, tranquility, and well-being. 4. Harine, omnipresent reliever of hardships. 5. Sureshwar, universal lord. Narsimha's planetary powers. Calms planetary chaos. Controls Mars and its afflictions. Balances karma. Shields from Rahu's deceptions. Brings beneficial planetary energies.